Welcome back to SCQ. You're watching the 10th match in round 1. Scores are St. Mary High on 3 points, Mona High on 1. And I just want to clarify at the end of that last segment there, Ristinana Bailey Cole is the Jamaican sprinter. That is her married name. I kind of mixed it up a little bit in my head there. Tracy was her maiden name. So she's now Ristinana Bailey Cole, making us proud. As we get into the speed challenge, now the teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. St. Mary, it's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which of his sons did Jacob describe as a lion's whelp?
Judah.
Correct. Which gland in the human body is called the master gland?
Pituitary gland.
Correct. Form an adjective from enigma.
Enigmatic.
Correct. Who is the chairman of the board of Clarendon Alumina Production, CAP, in Jamaica?
Pass.
Professor Gordon Shirley. Which major U.S. city is nicknamed Sin City?
New York City.
Las Vegas. What is the largest salt lake in the world?
Red Sea.
Salar de Uyuni. What is the birth name of the Jamaican artist Burning Spear?
Winston Rodney.
Correct. What is the formula for calcium phosphate?
Ca3 bracket PO4 bracket 2.
Correct. The prefix exa, EXA, represents
18.
10 raised to,
18.
correct, 18. Which role does Mariska Hargitay play in the television series Law & Order SVU?
Pass.
Olivia Benson. In what year was the Boston Tea Party in the U.S.?
1773.
Correct. What was Jamaica's winning team in the finals of the, what was the time in the finals of the women's 4x100 relay at the Tokyo Olympics in 2021?
Right.
And you did not have time to answer that. It's 41.02 seconds. Well done, St. Mary. Mona High, coming over to you now for your first minute here in the Speed Challenge. In the Bible, who was the father of Samson?
Manoah.
Correct. FSH is produced by the pituitary gland. What does FSH?
Follicle-stimulated hormone.
Sorry?
Follicle-stimulated hormone.
Good. Form an adjective from sacrifice.
Sacrifice.
Sacrificial. Whom did Professor
one.
Gordon Shirley replace as chairman of Clarendon Alumina Production in Jamaica? in
Karakoy.
November? Sorry?
Karakoy.
Norman Reed. Which
Next
major
one.
U.S. city is nicknamed the City of Brotherly Love?
Pennsylvania.
Philadelphia. Which desert is the driest place on Earth?
Antarctic Desert.
The Atacama Desert. What is the birth
Next
name of
one.
Jamaican artist Yellow Man?
Yeah, man, birth name.
Winston Rodney.
Winston Foster. What is the formula
Next
for
one.
phosphorus trichloride?
Phosphorus trichloride. That is PCl3
Correct. The prefix
Good. Next
yocto,
one.
Y-O-C-T-O, represents 10
Minus
raised to
18.
what power?
minus 18.
Minus 24. What
Next
role does
one.
Shamar Moore play in the television series Criminal Minds?
No man, rule.
Dennis Brown.
Derek Morgan. In what year did the Japanese bomb Pearl Harbor in the U.S. state of Hawaii?
1941.
Sorry?
1941.
Correct. Which
Good.
country won? And we
Okay,
won't have time. Well done, Mona, for your first minute. St. Mary High, coming back over to you now for your second minute. Give the name of the point where light rays originating from a point on an object converge after interacting with a refracting or reflecting element.
Focus.
Correct. What animal is La Tortuga in
Turtle.
Spain? Correct. Who wrote the novel Wide Sargasso Sea?
Louise.
Correct. In which Jamaican parish is the Rose Hall Estate?
St. James.
That's right. In the Bible, who was the cupbearer to King Artaxerxes?
Nehemiah.
Correct. Melanoma is a disease
Skin.
of which organ in the body? The skin is correct. Spell infringe.
IN for INGE.
Say it again.
IN for INGE.
Sounds correct. Who is the opposition spokesperson on the public service in Jamaica?
Angela Bromberg. Next one.
Lambert Brown. What is the name of the benchmark index of the New York Stock Exchange?
NYSE.
Dow Jones Industrial Average. Which Caribbean country is located at latitude 13 degrees north, longitude 59 degrees west?
Barbados.
Correct. Which Jamaican artist recorded the single Here Comes Trouble?
Chronics.
That's right. Laundry bleach is a dilute solution of which chemical?
Sodium hypochlorite.
Correct. Well done, St. Mary, for your second minute. Mona High, we're coming back over to you now for your second minute. What is the name for the part of a light bulb which consists of a wire heated
Filament.
to correct
Good.
incandescence? What animal is La Cobaya in Spain?
Horse.
Guinea pig. Who wrote the novel Is Just a Movie?
It's just a movie novel.
Daniel Defoe.
Earl Lovelace. In which
one.
Jamaican parish is the Bellevue Great House?
St. Andrew.
St. Anne. In the Bible, which king was paid a visit by the Queen of Sheba?
King. Which king?
Agrippa.
Solomon. Where are red blood cells produced in the human
That is
body?
bone marrow.
Correct.
Next
Spell
one.
frenetic.
Frenetic.
FRINET. C.
FRENETIC. Who is the opposition spokesperson on foreign affairs and foreign trade in
Foreign
Jamaica?
exchange and foreign trade.
Marcel
Official.
Dallaire
Lisa Hanna. The FTSE FTSE is a share index on the London Stock Exchange. What does FTSE stand for?
Start.
Free Trade
FTSC.
Service.
Financial Times Stock Exchange. Which Caribbean country is located at 21 degrees north, longitude 30 degrees west?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Cuba. Which Jamaican artist recorded the album Stony Hill?
Tony. Damian Marley.
Sorry?
Damian Marley.
I did hear Damian Marley before the bell. Well done there, Mona High, for your second minute. St. Mary, coming over to you now for your third and final minute here in the Speed Challenge. What is the product of .098 and 10,000?
980.
Correct. Who was the lead actor in the movie Conan the Barbarian?
Pass.
Arnold Schwarzenegger. In what year was U.S. President Bill Clinton impeached?
1998.
Correct. Which country's national cricket team is known as the Black Caps?
New Zealand.
That's right. What is the equivalent of 12 degrees Celsius in Kelvin?
289.
Use Kelvin.
285 Kelvin. What is the English translation for La casa está en llamas?
The box is in the arms.
The house is on fire. Who is the author of the novel Catch a Fire, The Life of Bob Marley?
Timothy White.
Correct. In which Jamaican parish is the Bloomfield Great House?
St. James.
Manchester. In the Bible, how old was Noah when the great flood came?
500.
600. Approximately what percent of whole blood is plasma?
7%.
55%. Give a six-letter word starting with I, which means to drink or swallow.
Ingest.
Imbibe. Who's the former Minister of State in the Ministry of Education? And we won't have time for the answer to that, which I'm sure would have been Robert Nesta Morgan. Well done, St. Mary, for your third and final minute. Mona, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the complete chemical formula for blue vitriol?
That is CuSO4.5H2.
Good. What
Correct.
is .000876 in standard form?
876. That is 8.76 times 10 to the minus 3.
-4. Who played the lead actor role in the movie I Am Sam?
I am Sam.
Brad Pitt.
Sean Penn. In what year did Alaska become the 49th U.S. state?
What year?
What year?
1846.
1959. Which country's national football team is known as the Samba Kings?
Samba Kings.
Canada.
Brazil. What is 288 Kelvin in degrees Celsius?
28 Kelvin. Minus 273. That is 4,
Go,
1,
time.
614.
15 degrees. What is the English translation for El ladrón robó el libro?
The book is on table.
The thief stole the book. Who wrote the novel The Harder They Come?
The harder they come.
Novel.
Michael Selwell.
Good. In which Jamaican parish is the Good Hope Great House?
Good Hope Great House.
Jamaican Parish.
Trelawney.
Trelawney. In the Bible, how old was Abraham when he died?
Abraham when he died.
He was 175 years. Well done, Mona, for your third and final minute. That's the end of the Speed Challenge. Scores are St. Mary High pulling ahead to 24. Mona High still in the game on 11. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting Buzzer Challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. The 10th match in round 1 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.